Hi everyone, today's video is part 3 of my Roca Outlet Village shopping vlog. So let's keep shopping! So let's do a proper unboxing. Here I have the bag, and this was really not planned. I honestly, I don't think I had even seen it on the Gucci website, or if I had seen it, I just kind of scrolled past it because it wasn't anything that I was interested in. And I think it's mainly because online it doesn't look as good as it does in real life. Because as soon as I saw it in the store, I ran to it. I had to see it, I had to touch it, I had to try it on because it looked so good. But online, because I tried to find it, after I bought it, I tried to find it online if it's still available on the Gucci website or on some of the other reseller websites. And I think that I only found it on Farfetch. I think it was the last website that had some stock of this item, and the pictures online, they don't do justice to how good this item looks. Okay, so let me open it, let me show it to you. They gave me a box, but they don't normally give boxes. So if you buy something from the outlet and they don't give you a box, it's completely normal. I think that they gave me a box just because I got lucky with my essay, but yeah, normally no box. Okay, so now let's open it together. There was no wrapping. So this is a true unboxing because, I mean, it's an outlet. It's not going to be the luxury boutique experience, but you know what, with discounts like this, I don't really mind. Okay, I'm talking too much. Let me open it finally. So here we have the dust bag. I think you can already see what it is. Okay, and then inside we actually have another dust bag. It is a bag, yes, and this is the Gucci. I'm trying to get the chain. So this is the Gucci Marmont in size small and in silver sequins. Do you see how sparkly this bag is? It's incredible. Like I said before, this was not something that I had on my wish list because I genuinely don't even remember when it came out. It wasn't, this is not a very popular line anymore. A lot of people don't like the Gucci Marmont line, and I don't know why, because these are beautiful, beautiful bags. Sure, at one point we saw a lot of these on social media, but we don't really anymore. And I love the monochrome idea of this bag because it has silver leather and then it has the silver sequins and silver hardware. So it just looks very beautiful, and I never thought I would be going for this bag, but I tried it on. It felt super comfortable. It looked very beautiful, and the more I was thinking about it, the more I could see like a long-term relationship with this bag, because of course this is not going to be a bag that you're going to run errands with. At least I won't. I mean, not that I would judge, but we all need a bit of sparkle every now and then. So I started thinking, like, when would I use this bag? And a lot of ideas popped on my mind. For example, imagine this bag on holiday. And I was thinking about Greek islands, how beautiful it would look with an all-white outfit and with white and blue in the background. A moment. It would be a moment. And of course, it's not only limited to summer. You can also wear this bag at a Christmas party, New Year's, hello, any time you go out for a dinner. It really doesn't matter. The season doesn't matter. So it's a perfect event bag, and I have a feeling that I'm going to get my wear out of it. So let's take a little closer look at the bag. You open it over here, you press this button. Can I call it a button? Here we have silver leather. Let's take out the stuffing. Okay, so it has, what is this? This is fabric lined. Is it like silk or satin? Yeah, so I have to be a little bit careful. You can't, I mean, I would not really recommend wearing silk or satin dresses with the sequins, because even though they are very flat, it's still sequins. You could pull one up. You can move them back, because I saw that some of the sequins were actually pulled a bit on the display version of this bag. And one of my tips is to definitely ask the sales assistant if they have more bags, more of the same bag in the back. And when my sales assistant brought this one out, it was actually fully packaged. We removed all the packaging together. So this was a brand new bag. And I don't know if you guys remember from my vlog. If you haven't seen the first part and the second part of my vlog, I will link them in the description box below. But the price of this bag, 50% off. So the normal price would have been 2,300 euros, and I purchased it for 1,150 euros. I know, mind blown. It is such a good price. Would I have bought this bag for a full price? Probably not. I'll be very honest, probably not, because I already have my sparkly Prada bag. Actually, let me get it, 1 second. Okay, so here is my sparkly Prada baby, and now she has a sparkly Gucci sister. I mean, to me, they are different enough. This one is black with crystals, and this one is all silver. So, for example, I would not wear this bag with white, even though it looks okay. I just think that this one looks better with white, even with my top. You see, this bag looks better than this one. So they're different enough, but if it was full price, I would not have bought it, because this one is enough for me. But since it was the outlet price, how could I say no to it? And I'm really happy that I got it. I think it's just a very, very beautiful sparkly dream bag. So yeah, that's it for my video today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I do love talking about fashion. So let's stay in touch, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, stay safe.